Hey guys, I'm Emma Ryan, integrative nutrition health coach and founder and owner of Plant, and today we are making homemade granola. I love making granola at home because when you buy them at the store, they're just covered in sugar. Even the healthier brands, it's really hard to get a really low sugar option or one that still doesn't have preservatives or anything in it. So it's super simple to make at home, and you're gonna see how. So today we're gonna use 3 cups of gluten-free rolled oats. We're gonna just toss those in a mixing bowl. I'm gonna do 1 cup of shaved almonds. You could do whole almonds, slivered almonds. You could sub this out for a different nut, but this one I really like the texture of. So 1 cup of almonds. I'm gonna do 1/2 cup of pumpkin seeds. And by the way, all of these that I'm using are raw and unsalted, not sweetened or anything like that. So it's just raw almonds and raw pumpkin seeds. And then I'm gonna add 1/2 cup of toasted coconut flakes. Again, these are unsweetened toasted coconut flakes. Toss those in there. I am going to add 1/4 cup of maple. You can skip this altogether. However, I like adding a tiny bit of a sweetener just because when you have that syrup on the nuts, it'll help it stick together and give you that like granola crunch that we all love. Add that to the bowl. I'm going to add a tablespoon of cinnamon powder. I'm going to add a teaspoon of vanilla, and this is just plain vanilla. And then I'm going to do 1/2 teaspoon of Himalayan salt. Just sprinkle that in there. And then using a mixing bowl, just go ahead and mix this all together. This is a great option if you're making, smoothies at home or smoothie bowls, or if you're doing, parfaits or anything like that. This is an easy recipe to follow at home. Kids will enjoy it. You can add it to your smoothies. You can also just have a bowl of it like cereal with almond milk, and that's really yummy. But I love that you can keep it on hand for quite a long time, and it stays good for a while, so it won't go bad. Once this is well combined, you're just going to go ahead and put it evenly onto a baking sheet. So I'm just going to spread this out. And you're just going to spread it out evenly, make sure it covers the pan. It doesn't matter if it's, a little bit thick. You'll just have to cook it for a little bit longer. So this is pretty much all I'm going to have to do. And now we're ready to bake. So I'm going to bake this in the oven at 350 for about 15 to 20 minutes until it's golden brown. Okay, so now my granola is done baking. As you can see, it's this perfect golden brown color. Mine baked for about 15 minutes, but just depending on your oven, you might want to do it a little bit longer. But again, you can store this in a glass jar, in a plastic bag in the refrigerator. However you want to store it is just fine. It will last unrefrigerated for several weeks, but if you refrigerate it, it'll extend the shelf life a few extra weeks as well. So be sure to put this on a smoothie bowl, add it to a bowl of cereal, whatever you want to do. I hope you enjoy. Be sure to subscribe, comment below, let us know what recipes you're looking forward to next, and I'll see you soon.